Guys, who said unicorns don't exist? Let's get an update on our unicorn property. Remember that triplex to fiveplex conversion? Let's go take a look. Welcome back to our unicorn. Let's go check out an update. You know, we're 4 months later, renovations in the 4 units are almost done. Let's see how we took this triplex to potential fourplex and fiveplex conversion to the finish line. Okay, welcome back. We're on the main floor unit, our 2-bed, 1-bath conversion here. This is our moneymaker unit. So we spent a lot of time with design, choosing the finishes, using some of the old character in the building, giving it a nice new fresh aesthetic appeal. But let's go take a look. We're enter into the kind of the grand room here, a nice living room. We're still got to finish off the fireplace. You know, we've got our boiler heating. We've got installed heat pumps for AC, so each unit's got control of its own AC. But we got a nice, really big, spacious living room here in a multiplex, which sometimes can be a little bit rare. Probably forget, but this was an open wall here, so we've closed it off so we can create another bedroom, but still have a nice, large functional living space. Now, this used to be a staircase going upstairs. We've just subdivided it into various closet space, and we've got our bathroom right here, nice bathroom with bathtub. Old stairwell was converted into the bathroom, extra storage. In this unit, we actually decided to keep the dining space, and we kept the kitchen in its original position, which you'll see in a second. Well, let's go take a look at the first bedroom, a master bedroom here. Pretty big bedroom, so ample closet space. Typically, you're not seeing, 2-bed, 1-bath units with a master bedroom this size. We're talking over 1,000 square feet of living here in a multiplex. Coming out of the bedroom, living space, still doing some final touches here on the kitchen. We got a nice, safe, clean, functional kitchen. Still got to do our windows in the spring and bring the overall aesthetic appeal of the whole building up. We used to have an old powder room in the back of this unit. Now it becomes our in-suite laundry. And then into bedroom number 2. Again, 2 beds, 1 bath. We're looking at straight rental finishes here. 8mm vinyl click flooring, LED lights versus pot lights saved us a fortune. In-suite laundry, MDF cabinetry, safe, clean, functional finishes, have got us the ROI or that return we were after. Hey guys, welcome back. 2nd floor unit here, 2 beds, 1 bath. Let's do a little bit of a recap here. We're standing in our former kitchen. This is now a nice little mud room. Got in-suite laundry. Potentially someone sets this up as a little work from home space as well. As we transition out of the mud room, we get into our new kitchen, which used to be the dining room area. Use the space a little bit more effectively. We've got a pantry in behind and a brand new kitchen. Get into the common space area. We got lots of closets for extra storage. As we multiplex these properties, typically what we see is a lack of storage. So we've used some of the space that was in the former dwelling, created some storage for the potential tenants, which is a nice little bonus space. We transition out of the common space into bedroom number 1, decent size. We've got heat pumps for AC, boiler heating. Nice thing about heat pumps is they run off electricity. All the rents are plus hydro, tenants are paying that hydro. That extra cost comes off our balance sheet, better overall ROI for the investor, less risk. Transitioning out of bedroom number 1 into our bathroom, kept it simple, safe, clean, functional, kept our costs down. Again, all about getting that ROI. As we exit the bathroom, we're coming into a nice, really bright, spacious living area, which is, you're not typically seeing this in these 2-bed, 1-baths in a larger multiplex, this being a fourplex. The investors still got to replace the windows in the spring. We're going to let in a lot more natural light. But as you're going through this unit, we've probably got about 1,000 square feet of functional space, young professional couple, maybe, professional students, but this is a space that's going to cater a lot of flexibility to various tenants. And then we're going into bedroom number 2. And there we have it, guys. Unit number 2, 2 beds, 1 bath. Quite an upgrade from what we saw in the previous video footage.
Josh, what are you doing up there?
You know what? I'm just enjoying my coffee and my Your Life, Your Terms mug. And as we talk about Your Life, Your Terms, let's take a look at this loft unit. Big renovation project, fourplex, potential fiveplex for the future. Talk about an added bonus space. Look at this view from up here in this loft unit. How many lofts do you see where you get your own private deck, right? So let's go take a look as we get into this bonus space. You'll be able to see the big compare and contrast from our older video takes. We got in-suite laundry here, set up a little living space, nice functional kitchen, wrap around into a bit of a pantry area, extra storage, into a nice ultra modern bathroom, and obviously a 1-bedroom. Now, we've got this listed for lease and we're currently screening applications for $1,600 a month plus hydro. You can't get much of a better return than that by using this extra space in this old Victorian home to create a better ROI for the investor. Now that's living life on your own terms. So guys, remember, this was a triplex to fourplex conversion for our short to medium long-term plan. In behind us here, we've got our potential fiveplex for the future. As zoning likely will ease up, regulations become a little bit easier. Cities, municipalities want more density. We've got some options there. Short term, it'll be a nice little garage rental for some extra income. But remember, we did a full electrical upgrade here, so we've got 4 hydrometers. In the end, with this project, we ended up doing a full plumbing upgrade as well. So our budget went from roughly $200,000 to $220,000. But brand new, fourplex. Once we're done here with the short-term plan, all new electrical, all new plumbing. We're now going down into the basement unit. Let's take a look. We're in the middle of construction, about a month out from being completed. So it'll be a nice little update from some of our original video work we did. So guys, welcome down into the basement here. We're gonna have a nice finished kitchen in here, pantry where electrical panel is, bathroom in the back, nice big spacious bathroom. Now, if we remember, our mechanical room was quite a bit larger. We pinned it back quite a bit, got on-purpose hot water meter in there, our boiler. I've created a smaller bedroom space or flex space, which we could say, hey, this could be an office, could be a smaller bedroom for someone, but look at the size of the walk-in closet we're gonna create here. Coming into the living area, if you remember, there used to be an old bar in the corner here. We've opened it all up, got a nice little living space, and then into what we consider is our main bedroom here in the basement unit. Decent sized space, bright. We're gonna put some new egress windows in, and again, a walk-in closet in the back. Again, we're about a month away. We'll come back when this is all done, and you guys will see the beautiful finished product that it is. Welcome back. The basement renovation is complete. We made some minor changes by flipping the kitchen around to optimize layout. Let's take a look at some photos before we get into the final numbers. Okay, let's review the final numbers of our unicorn project. We ended up purchasing the property for $737,000. We had a renovation budget of $200,000, but we ended up spending $250,000. The reason for that extra $50,000 was once we got the project going, we decided to re-plumb the entire house along with electrical. So we went over on the budget there, but that's okay because we forced the appreciation, the valuation on our property. Now, what was amazing about this property was the final rents we got. In Unit 1, which was a 2-bed, 1-bath, we got $2,500. Unit 2, which was a 2-bed, 1-bath, we got $2,100. Unit 3, which was our loft, beautiful loft, 1-bed, 1-bath, we got $1,500. And the basement apartment, which was a nice cozy 2-bed, 1-bath, we got $1,800. And all of those are plus hydro. We had 4 separate meters, if you recall, from earlier footage in the video, totaling $7,900 in revenue. That's pretty fantastic off original purchase price of $737,000. So our next step with the investor is time to refinance, rework our numbers, regain our capital, and we're off to the races for the next project. If you're interested in a project like this, use the link below, reach out, and you'll get a free consultation with a rockstar coach. We'll walk you through how to add density to your property and not only achieve ultimate appreciation of your property with capital returns, but producing a beautiful cash flowing asset. Until next time, your life, your terms.